the robotic dog at the AI summit, which unfortunately is grabbing the limelight, taking the sheen away from the largest ever AI summit, which is being held right here in India. But anyways, let's move on in the bulletin. Tell you what's happening across in Karnataka. Well, there the government has allotted around 24 civic amenity sites to the Indian National Congress. That's right. Congress's Bhavan Trust is getting all these sites for constructing party offices. And this is going to be across districts and taluks. Well, these sites are typically reserved for public facilities such as schools and community centers. Well, the opposition, BJP, has alleged that the plots were granted at concessional rates. They've called it a misuse of public land and demand cancellation. In fact, the ruling Congress has defended the move, stating that the allotments followed due process and legal norms as well. Well, in fact, let's tell you what exactly it is that D.K. Shivakumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, has to say in his defense when questions were put about how the BJP is alleging that land is being misused and is being gifted away by the Congress government to their Congress party.
Of course, we are conducting on the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi ji, 100 Bhavan. I have not taken, I'm just taking 5,000, 10,000, 3,000 square feet. In Bangalore city, I think at the time of BJP, they have taken more than 100 places in the name of trusts for the various institutions, where I don't want to tell. In the private institution, again, some of them, their party, them are inside, and they took out a Chanakya University. There the value of the Chanakya University is minimum 10 crores. They have taken it at 50 lakhs. They have misused the power. It is a temple.
Well, with that, some big breaking news which is coming in right now. BJP alleges that there has been misuse of the public land. In fact, they have said that sites have been given away at concessional rates. BJP even seeks cancellation of this allocation which has been made by the government to its own party offices. Listen in.
In the name of Congress Bhavana, Congress party in Karnataka is doing a scam. By rule, the CA lands cannot be allotted to any political parties. It was discussed inside the Karnataka Assembly also, as well as in the cabinet also. There was a decision which took place in 2022 that civic community sites cannot be given to Congress party. Congress party in its name has got allotment of sites directly to the Congress party by breaking all the rules in 4 locations. Congress party has not understood the rule of the land.
जनता का माल अपनी जेब में डाल. Take the public property, public money, public resources and use it for private purposes. That is the Congress philosophy, whether it's National Herald scam or what is happening in Karnataka now. Where in Karnataka, the government is allocating prime public land meant for civic communities, for government use, to party offices for Congress party. So, the land which is costing almost 40 to 50 crores has been given away for a throwaway price of 2 crore rupees for Congress party so that it can build its offices. So what is important is Congress office, not hospital, not park, not civic communities for the people. How much will they loot the people of Karnataka?
Well, let me go across to Imran. Imran, this is very interesting because when D.K. Shivakumar was asked this direct question, he too admits that yes, indeed, we have given the land away to the Congress party. Congress party has taken 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 square feet of land. So there is no denial there. But what is the defense? On what grounds is public land being gifted away at throwaway prices to only one party, which happens to be in power?
Well, the D.K. Shivakumar, in fact, all the political parties does that is what his defense was. And in fact, he asked the question back to BJP, is that how about their Jagannath Bhavan or their BJP office, other BJP office constructed during their tenure. And in fact, he also said that some of the land given to RSS office was also at throwaway prices. Should the government list out all those documents for that, is what D.K. Shivakumar questioned the BJP's allegation. Now, whether it's cutting across party lines, government sites being used for government offices, should be is what the activists are saying. They are not interested in the BJP or Congress, but these are civic amenity sites. In order for our viewers to understand, is a civic amenity site is someone where a playground or someone which is for public interest and good is constructed whenever a society is formed, and there are certain areas been earmarked as something called civic amenity site. That means for playground or for communal activity or communal hall. That is the ground which has been given for the Congress offices. The BJP alleges these civic amenity sites are being given to close around 30 places is what the BJP has alleged, and they have released documents of it being allotted. And in fact, these decisions were done during successive cabinet meetings too. The Congress is saying that they are not denying the fact that, but they also paid the price what was there, and they also say that they have done it. BJP has also done it. They are just making an issue because they are in the opposition right now.
Well, this is going to be very interesting. Congress doesn't deny that it has gifted away land at throwaway prices, but says BJP did it too. We'll have to wait and see. At the end of it, this is public land. It is the Janta whose land is being gifted away.